Welcome everyone. In this video we will derive the formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle. Now, an equilateral triangle means that all the sides of the triangle has the same length. So maybe it is a triangle like this. As I said, each side will have the same length, which we can call A if you want. And as a result, due to symmetry, I think you can intuitively see that all the angles are also the same. All the interior angles. We know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and you might be saying, where does that come from? If you want, please write it in the comment section and I can prove it in a future video. I can prove why the interior angles add up to give 180 degrees in a triangle. But we know that, let's say, for the purposes of this video. And so if we divide it by 3, since all the angles are the same, we're going to get 60 degrees for one angle in this triangle. Nice? Now, I want to, as I said, find the area, and I want to express it in terms of the side length. And there will be some numbers, of course, as constants. How do we do this? Well, we will draw a height like this. This will be 90 degrees. That's what makes the height. This is the height. And due to symmetry again, this will be 30 degrees. So it will divide the angle. It will bisect the angle. It will be an angle bisector. And it will also bisect the side. So this and this will be the same, and as you can guess, A divided by 2 gives you A divided by 2. So that is the length of each of them. And so now I want to focus on this little triangle. We have 2 of them. This one, okay? By focusing on that, I can see that, let's say, sine of 60 degrees. That's going to be equal to sine of 60 degrees is h over a, right? Opposite over the hypotenuse. So h is equal to a times sine of 60 degrees. What is sine of 60 degrees? It is the square root of 3 over 2, and then you have the a. And we're basically done with our derivation. It's a very easy derivation, in fact, but, well, let's not say easy, because depending on your math knowledge, this might be hard for you. And it was hard for me at some point, like early in my education, it was hard for me. So I apologize for saying that it was easy. It is not easy. It's not easy. Nothing is easy and nothing is hard. That's kind of a motivational speech, I hope. So we're going to have A, the area, equaling, well, we will multiply the base by the height and we will divide by 2. So we have 1 over 2 h a, right? So 1 over 2. And what is h? We have it here. Square root of 3 over 2. We have 1a, another a here. So that's going to be a squared, which means that the area is square root of 3 over 4a squared. Okay? Which means that if you are given the side length of an equilateral triangle, you can immediately find the area using this formula, or vice versa. Maybe you know the area somehow, you can find the side length using this formula. You can memorize this. It is very easy, but honestly, I don't memorize it. Whenever I need to find the area of an equilateral triangle, I always go through the steps that you see here. I always do this, but of course, I do it at a much faster rate, since I'm not explaining it to anyone. And as you do it frequently, you get faster at it. So my suggestion would be to not try to memorize it and to derive it every single time. It would take you like 20-30 seconds maybe after some point. And if you do end up memorizing it, that's great. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. If you want to see further videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. And that's it for today. I hope to see you in another video. Until then, take care.